Hey everyone, the Cito E Plus utility bike, which was unveiled by Momentum, a new brand under the Giant Group, is intended to improve the commuter experience for urban and suburban riders who depend on cargo bikes for daily chores. The Cito E Plus, which will cost between $3,000 and $4,000, is expected to come with high-end technologies that will make leaving the car at home easier than before. The Cito E Plus's superior Panasonic battery is one of its most notable features. The 780 watt-hour battery, which is flawlessly integrated into the down tube and is developed specifically for e-bike use, provides excellent performance, longevity, and safety. With its UL safety certificate, IPX7 weather protection, and thermal regulation, it guarantees dependability even under trying circumstances. The battery can be easily removed for charging at home or charged in the bike, with rapid charging times of 3.5 hours for 80% charge, and under 5 hours for a full charge, providing up to 75 miles of range. The bike's connectivity is another highlight, with a proprietary battery management system that monitors battery health and performance at the cell level. Bluetooth connectivity enables data transfer to the Ride Control app, providing riders with detailed insights into their e-bike status, and facilitating diagnostics for technicians and Giant's ongoing bike development. In terms of safety, the Cito E Plus doesn't compromise. It features powerful 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes, and a robust suspension system for stable handling, even when carrying heavy loads at speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. High-visibility LEDs and an electric horn ensure visibility and alertness on the road, enhancing safety during day and night rides. One significant advantage for Cito E Plus customers is access to support from Giant's extensive network of over 1,200 brick-and-mortar dealers across the US. This support network provides a level of service and expertise that online-only brands struggle to match, offering peace of mind and assistance when needed. Momentum's Cito E Plus doesn't just stop at being a versatile and capable utility bike. It also offers a range of accessories to tailor the bike to each rider's specific needs. Whether you're hauling cargo, carrying children, or customizing for daily commutes, the Cito E Plus accessories have you covered. The rear rack on the Cito E Plus is developed to handle up to 132 pounds of cargo, making it ideal for grocery runs, transporting gear, or carrying bulky items. Additionally, an optional front basket can support up to 33 pounds, providing even more storage capacity for smaller items or essentials you need easy access to during your ride. With the Cito E Plus's compatibility with two maxi seats, parents on the run can securely take their children to daycare, school, or weekend excursions. With your kids safely buckled up and enjoying the trip, you can tackle the daily school runs with comfort and ease. All things considered, the Momentum Cito E Plus elevates the bar for cargo e-bikes by fusing high-end amenities, connection, security, and dealer assistance to provide a compelling choice for commuters in cities and suburbs looking for a competent and adaptable replacement for sedans. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you found it interesting and useful. Have a nice day and God bless you.